Don't throw away eggshells. You'll be surprised how useful they can be. A rich source of calcium and other minerals. Place them in a blender and add a liter of hot water. The temperature is important, and I'll explain why in a moment. Blend everything until the shells are finely crushed. Now, grate a bar of soap using a coarse grater. You can use any type of soap. Add the grated soap to the mixture in the blender. The hot water will help dissolve the soap, creating a smooth consistency. Blend everything again. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Sugar acts as a gentle abrasive. Also, add 1½ tablespoons of baking soda, which has cleaning and degreasing properties. Thoroughly until you get a ready-to-use paste. Pour the mixture into plastic containers and let it cool and solidify. Once set, apply a small amount of the paste to a sponge and test it on a burnt pot. Thanks to the abrasive properties of the eggshells, the paste effectively removes burns and stains. As you can see, the pot looks as good as new. These simple eggshells can become the secret to a perfectly clean kitchen. Try it out.